Hi everyone and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making a really quick meal. It could be made even quicker if you use pre-canned chili, okay?
Ew!
I made homemade chili here because my boys like homemade chili. You can use 2 cans of Hormel chili if you'd like, that's fine. You're going to lightly spray a 9x13 pan. You're going to put your chili in the bottom of your pan.
Chili not from a can.
Make sure that you have your oven preheating to 375.
And apply the chili not from a can liberally.
And in my chili, I just used 2 cans of beans. One was black bean, one was, I think, navy bean. And 1 pound of ground meat, 2 cans of tomato sauce, a little bit of tomato paste, and whatever flavorings you'd like to that. And it looks like just enough for this pan.
Well, there would have been more, but you know, I had to taste it. Sure,
right.
It's good.
That's right. So if you don't want a lot of chili left over, I think, you know, 1 pound of meat is plenty.
What's left over?
Okay.
Oh,
And I know the guys that Jack's going to tonight, they're kind of big eaters, so I want to make sure that this is going to be a filling meal for them. Alright, so now I just spread that out really nicely. I did bring the chili just before it's like room temp. I want it a little bit warm, only because we're going to be cooking this pretty quickly in the oven, and I want to make sure that that chili gets heated up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open hot dogs. I'm using the Nathan's all beef. That's the only hot dogs I like. You use what you want to use.
don't use Vienna sausages.
Okay, just going to open these up. Now, I got these corn dog wraps from Walmart. They're Pillsbury cornbread. And I'm going to open them.
So she thinks. Now
Okay.
comes the fun part, the exploding. Oh,
All right.
that opened easy.
Now, because they're fresh. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just roll this out a little bit. Nothing fancy. If I can get it off the rolling pin.
It's running away from you.
Just kind of roll it out like so. And then you're going to take a hot dog and you're going to place it in the middle like this. And you're going to roll it around the hot dog. And make sure that you put your seam side down. Okay? And that's all you're going to do for right now. Alright, so now I'm going to put these into my 375-degree oven. I'm going to start checking them about 13 minutes. We want these to be golden brown and our hot dogs to be done. I don't like chili on my hot dog, so I'm just doing a plain hot dog. Alright, so mine took exactly 17 minutes. And if you're not using these are, I didn't realize this, but they're a 1/4 pound hot dog. If you use the regular size, you don't need to roll out the dough. It'll fit around your small hot dog perfectly, okay? So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.